Starting around the 25th of April 2023, Star Chart Book DAO most certainly is exchanging at 21 cents in term of its USD rate, with the value change of 1.53% in truly most recent 60-minute, which by and large is genuinely huge. Polys generally has a fundamentally all-out market cap of $32,149,345 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $292,109, which is very huge. This for the most part makes Star Chart Book DAO lovely positioning at 505 in the digital money market in an extremely enormous manner. In the event that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the Star Chart Book DAO cost expectation end of 2023, what will Star Chart Book DAO in every practical sense be most certainly worth in 2023? Is Star Chart Book DAO in every practical sense wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023, or so they truly thought? Will Polys cost basically outperform its unequaled high, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking? These in every way that really matters are our Star Chart Book DAO cost expectations for Polys' future in a significant manner. Star Chart Book DAO value forecast 2023 as opposed to prevalent thinking. As per the Star Chart Book DAO gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the Polys cost essentially is supposed to in every way that really matters cross an extremely normal value level of 30 cents, the normal kind of least value worth of Star Map Book DAO toward the finish of the fundamentally current year ought to be 29 cents in a significant manner. Besides, Polys can especially arrive at a genuinely greatest value level of 34 cents in a really significant manner. Star Chart Book DAO value expectation April 2023. The cost for Star Chart Book DAO in April 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 22 cents and 24 cents, which most certainly is very critical, while the truly normal exchanging cost ought to be around 24 cents. Showing how besides Polys can especially arrive at a really most extreme value level of 34 cents in a by and large huge manner. Star Map Book DAO value expectation May 2023. With respect to May 2023, Star Chart Book DAO cost basically is gauged to basically arrive at a sort of the most minimal cost of 23 cents in a by and large significant manner. The Polys cost could by and large arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of 26 cents with the typical expected cost around 24 cents, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Star Map Book DAO value conjecture June 2023. The essentially normal cost of Star Map Book DAO could generally go to 25 cents toward the finish of June 2023 in an especially huge manner. Polys could be exchanging around a for the most part greatest worth of 27 cents with the kind of least expected cost of 24 cents incredibly. Star Chart Book DAO value expectation July 2023. The cost of Star Map Book DAO generally is for the most part anticipated to generally reach at a really least worth of 25 cents in July 2023, or so they explicitly thought. The Polys cost could basically arrive at a sort of greatest worth of 28 cents with the typical exchanging worth of 26 cents all through 2023, or so they really thought. Polys value figure August 2023. With respect to August 2023, Star Chart Book DAO is supposed to truly arrive at a truly least value worth of 25 cents in an especially significant manner. The Polys cost could especially arrive at a by and large greatest cost of 29 cents with the by and large normal cost around 26 cents. Pretty further appearance how might Polys cost especially outperform its unsurpassed in every way that really matters, high in a sort of significant way. Star Map Book DAO value gauge September 2023. For September 2023, the cost of Star Map Book DAO for the most part is somewhat anticipated to in every practical sense arrive at a truly normal cost of 27 cents, while the coin could exchange between a kind of limit of 30 cents and an exceptionally least of 27 cents in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Star Map Book DAO value expectation October 2023. The cost of Star Map Book DAO in every way that really matters is generally anticipated to generally reach at an in every way that really matters least worth of 27 cents in October 2023, demonstrating the way that the Polys cost could especially arrive at a truly most extreme cost of 26 cents with the genuinely normal expected cost around 24 cents. The Polys cost could fundamentally arrive at an especially greatest worth of 31 cents with the typical exchanging worth of 28 cents all through 2023, which is genuinely critical. Star Map Book DAO value expectation November 2023. Star Map Book DAO cost generally is supposed to generally reach between 28 cents to 33 cents in November 2023, while the kind of typical cost of Polys for the November fundamentally remains around 29 cents. Star Map Book DAO value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Star Map Book DAO essentially is supposed to basically be at around an essentially least of 29 cents, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Star Chart Book DAO cost can generally essentially arrive at a genuinely limit of 34 cents with the truly normal cost of 30 cents in USD, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. Star Map Book DAO exceptionally passed value examination in the truly beyond 24 hours. The crypto has been for the most part diminished by 7.89% in its by and large current worth in an unobtrusive manner. Assuming we sort of think about the essentially current market cap of the polies with yesterday, you can generally see that the market cap fundamentally is additionally down. Star Map Book DAO for the most part is confronting a kind of tough time jumping aboard with certainly other crypto coins, or so they especially thought. The polies fundamentally is down to nearly 10% in the especially most recent 7 days, which generally is very critical. The coin certainly is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for especially past not many days. The coin could especially have major areas of strength for genuinely at the same time. We don't especially feel that it would a productive resource in exceptionally present moment, which essentially is genuinely huge. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of polies truly diminished by 34.746%, disposing of an astounding sort of typical amount of 11 cents from its kind of current worth in an unpretentious manner. This unexpected down fundamentally implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can truly be a generally excellent for the most part purchase and open door for genuinely speedy interest in a quite large manner. Star Chart Book DAO Value Conjecture 2023 FAQs. What will all things considered be Star Map Book DAO truly worth in 2023, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking? The polies cost for the most part is estimated to arrive at in every practical sense. Greatest degree of 34 cents within every way that really matters. Least cost of 29 cents toward the finish of 2023, which for the most part demonstrates the way that the polies cost could sort of arrive at a kind of greatest cost of 29 cents with the typical cost around 26 cents. Kind of additional appearance. How might polies cost in every way that really matters outperform its record-breaking high, or so they especially thought? Star's Chart Book DAO essentially have a future in an unobtrusive manner. As far as value, Star Chart Book DAO basically has an exceptional genuinely potential to for the most part arrive at new levels, exhibiting that this unexpected down certainly implies that the coin for the most part is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can essentially be an especially decent for the most part purchase and open door for kind of speedy speculation, which sort of is very critical. It essentially is estimate that polies will increment in esteem. So Star Chart Book DAO value figure September 2023. For September 2023, the cost of Star Map Book DAO is most certainly anticipated to sort of arrive at a truly normal cost of 27 cents, while the coin could exchange between a kind of limit of 30 cents and a kind of least of 27 cents, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. As per truly unambiguous specialists and business experts, Star Map Book DAO can commonly raise a ruckus around town of the most exorbitant cost of $1.66 till 2030, beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. Is Star Map Book DAO certainly worth purchasing in 2023, really as opposed to mainstream thinking? Star Map Book